In the latest John Wick movie, while trying to escape assassins on the streets of Paris, Mr. Wick drives a Plymouth Barracuda, a car that by now is over 50 years old. Yet he manages to outrun modern BMWs. My question is, can a 50-year-old car outrun modern ones? To find out, we need to revive a legend, Brutus. And this is how things will play out. Brutus needs to reach 10 checkpoints in 20 minutes. His enemies consist of modern sedans and 2 special vehicles that are slower but are equipped with a radar. Those radar cars can communicate with hunters and give them updates on the current location of Brutus. And today's driver is, well, yeah, he's a special guy, let's say it like this. Sorry for that, my cousins always like to show off, which I don't blame them, they are pretty cool. Anyways, if you want the exact rules of this hunt, just stop the video. Now, as soon as Mr. Thick crosses the activation checkpoint, the hunters get released and the timer starts.
Reset the spot.
Insert.
Alright.
Or Control R.
Very good.
Alright, go get him, boys!
Okay.
Is he out?
Oh, yes, go.
Man, that thing ain't no truck, that's a sedan, man.
Yeah, going the same way.
This time there is no fancy trick at the start of the hunt. This time it's a real deal. John Thick needs to get as many checkpoints before the radar cars catch up to him and give out his location.
I just got killed by someone.
Don't matter, just pretend it never happened.
Very well.
Which way is he going?
Where you going?
Golden Gate Bridge.
What's that road?
Is he on the bridge?
I'm not sure.
No,
I know
he's
it's in
going the
the
same way.
area.
He's going into that northern tower.
Alright, he made it to the first checkpoint.
Following the radar cars, man, I'm not stupid.
So where is he? Golden Gate or what?
We don't know where he is. We're just.
There are parts on the road, something.
I think he took a right.
That's me.
I was in the BMW watching.
So where is he? Golden Gate or what?
No, he went. I think he took a right. Towards the tunnel. I don't know. He's swerving around.
He's on fucking crack.
He's now next to the gas station near the big mountain.
Right.
Yeah, he's at the gas station.
I get bad frame
Yeah,
drop.
run away.
You fucking bastards crowd. Drive past me.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Second checkpoint has been reached. On your right, He's on now.
There is me.
And he's climbing the mountain.
I love you, Clubsport. Never
Okay,
give up.
I'm on my last life.
Guys, you can go to the exit of the mountain road.
Holy fuck, that was close.
I'm going.
Wait,
That's where we're headed.
where is he at?
Still mountain area.
And now he's going to lane the mountain.
Yeah, he's on the mountain.
Oh, there, okay.
Oh, fuck, it's gone off.
Monte. Also, he's on the
Keep
corner.
going straight down.
Yes.
Straight down. Straight down. Crown Gate straight down. Yeah.
This checkpoint is on top of a hill that only has one single road. Escaping without contact is nearly impossible.
3 out of 10 checkpoints, I'll take it.
Right.
3 out of 10
I'm up to
checkpoints.
the mountain.
What, are you just under the radio tower, yeah? Oh, I see him. We're coming down from the radio tower now back towards the city.
Where is
Radio
he?
tower.
I'm climbing.
Still
Radio tower.
down, yeah, opposite from the petrol station, heading back in towards the city, down from the radio tower, the big mountain.
Near the racetrack. Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna come racetrack area. Area. And I've crashed into the fucking beamer.
He's going away from the race.
Right, we're gonna be
He's gone.
headed left now. Oh, he's spun out. He's like, sorry, back off. Give him a minute.
Give him a bit. Give
Yeah,
him.
don't ram him. Okay. Right, we're gonna be heading past the racetrack now, down towards the residential village. Still continuing. It's gonna be right at the end of the road, over towards the residential village, back towards city area. Taking over towards city area. We're going right now into residential. and a medium right again into the actual village. Right into residential.
The black mass has caught up to John Vick. It's getting spicy.
It's fine.
Let's go. We're still running through residential village. He's gone right again.
He's in the Grove Street.
He's going on the road.
4th checkpoint has been reached as well. 4th checkpoint.
He's got another checkpoint. He's on the road, residential area. No, I got eyes on. We're still in residential area. He's come back up and he's gone straight down back towards city.
I want to get that two-door city piece of shit.
We're city area. Head towards city area. The residential side of that.
Oh, I see him, I see him.
Move!
Whoa!
I'm dead. Well, just time home for dinner.
Postbud just crashed through a fucking family's living room.
Yeah. I'm having dinner.
Go to movie studios.
Movie studios.
Well, this is my last.
Movie studio area.
Movie studios, heading towards residential. Never mind, it's going to the city.
Studios going towards city.
Copy that, going towards city.
Man, I don't know where the city is.
Entering the highway.
Oh, he's down to the left.
I'm a country boy for real.
Main highway. You can go main highway.
The next checkpoint is located in the sewers, but since too many hunters are in the area, Mr. Vick decides to take a small detour.
Yeah, main road going. Continuing into the tunnel or something.
It's gonna be on the highway near the neighborhood.
On the highway.
Just head up to that
Southern highway.
Highway.
Residential area. Has he actually turned this?
Oh, you guys, so he's going the other way.
So
He's behind it.
Towards the movie studio.
But the empty was, he went behind me, okay. He's going down to movie studios.
And going forward. Towards the highway.
He is going off. No, he took a turn before highway. He took a turn as the building site.
He's there.
Whoa! He got past all of the past.
He's going into the canals.
He's in the canals. Come on.
is he actually in the canals? Yeah.
Yes, he's in the canals. He's in the canals. He's in the
Okay,
canals.
cool. Yeah, canals heading in towards city.
Ay. Just came from there.
6th checkpoint taken. 4 more to go.
I'm not trying to cut him off. Exit.
You know, muscle cars may not be the best in terms of handling, but at least they're quite good in a straight line.
I can understand.
He's going all the way to the end.
I think he's gonna go down near the hospital.
Yeah, there is. No.
Oh, I see.
I'm following that actually.
Why am I a magnet? I've been wiped out by people like 4 times.
Whoa!
That's the whole point of this.
He's down at the bottom of the city.
Bottom of the city hospital area.
Going out onto one of the piers.
Oh my god!
He's got 7 checkpoints.
He's going towards the docks.
Whoa! There.
Oh, it's industrial now.
I spun.
That's what you see.
Left up to the garage. Gate bridge.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Yep.
It's been out.
He's going to back to city. He's going from Golden Gate tunnels. Tunnels. He's going to city gas station.
He's coming into the city now, central. Okay, turning right into the city.
City gas station and Turbo Burger. I went over to that gas station.
Oh, I see him. Petrol station in the city. We're straight over bottom of city. It's going to be.
So we're going to be taking a right at the end of.
Construction site area. Taking a, city.
Okay.
Top of the city now.
To the church.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Okay, church.
I see him.
Nice one,
Church. Top of city. Top of city. Top of city.
Going
down towards
straight
the coast.
towards the Chinatown. Towards the Chinatown.
Yeah, towards the Chinatown.
I've already said anymore. I got killed by it.
Oh no, he didn't. Can't
Near
go
the
in.
park. The park right now. Turning right, yeah. Turning right, yeah.
Oh, he's lost it.
Oh,
He's in the park. Going up the park. Sorry.
At the park, top of city.
7 checkpoint has been taken. You guys better get him, goddamn.
Watch out, watch out. Right, park area, Chinatown, heading down the city. It's going to be a right at the end of the road, straight over. He's going left down towards the coast, now in the city, docks area. Continuing straight down, it's going to be a right over towards hospital, Continuing straight over again. We're going right just above hospitals, over towards default spawn. Straight over.
Well, I think it's
Still towards default spawn.
Going towards the... She's going towards the country road.
We're coming back the way that we came from the top of the track. Back down towards docks area, back down towards docks. Scratch that word.
Turn right. Towards the bridge.
We're on the bridge just above the docks area, on the bridge.
It's right.
Watch out, Marshall, sorry.
Oh, very not them.
He's gone right here, back towards petrol station, in the city.
Yeah. Going to the main highways.
Okay.
Going back to
Main
the
house.
coast. There's probably checkpoint there.
Yeah, that's probably going to be his last checkpoint.
I'm on your left, whoever that's on the center.
Why y'all so slow, man? I thought we got V8s in this thing.
I got damaged wheel.
We heading over at tolls, yeah?
He crashed.
He crashed.
He's an idiot.
Where is he?
He's a loser.
Is he over the barriers?
Is that him?
me.
I think that's not him.
No!
That's him.
The
That's
wrong
him.
guy.
Where is he?
We lost him.
While John Thick is hiding in the forest like a caveman, I wanted to ask you to press that red button down there. Only if you feel like doing that. No worries. It would be absolutely lovely to hit that big number this year. Maybe even leave a comment saying how much you love John Thick's driving shoes. Anyways, back to the chase. The hunters have left the toll station that leads to the city. Around 3 minutes have passed and John decided to leave the forest to get to the last 2 checkpoints. But can he do it?
We're all good.
Right, I think. I can't actually see him at the moment. That was where I last saw him. I think he's by tolls. I think he's gone down the motorway past
towards the
tolls.
city. To the city.
Right, towards the city on the tolls motorway, yeah?
Okay.
He is just passing tunnels
Like
off the city. He's coming back to. He's going to Turbo Burger.
It's gonna be by the beginning side.
Default spawn road.
Yes, he's not spawn right. He went left to the industrial area. Near the gas station. He's gonna be near the gas station.
In the city, yeah.
Yeah, he went to the...
He's heading for the sewers.
9 checkpoints taken. What more you got?
Oh fuck.
Almost.
He's in the sewers now.
Go there.
I'm going there.
Still in residential?
He's so rough to his car.
He's going out of sewers back to the main.
You're gonna get him. Slow down here.
Oh, he's gonna hit the fucking T-bone.
His steering is definitely fucked.
Heading towards going there. Oh my god!
Yeah, and towards Golden Gate.
No, he's turning onto the hospital bridge.
Motorway, he's going through the motorway of the city.
Right, okay, yeah. So we want that to go to the hospital, yeah?
It goes just past.
Right, yeah.
They're heading towards Chinatown again.
So it's going to
No! Oh, he's gonna do the jump.
Where?
The jump onto the bridge.
Push him off.
Yeah, he did the jump.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah.
Did he fail?
He did
Pretty much.
jump.
Yeah, we made it.
That was pretty badass.
Let's go.
Thank you for watching. Thank you Renz and Bakir for the cinematic camera and all the people that had the patience to record this with me. See ya! Also, here's a cool video explaining the lore behind Brutus, the car I drove today. And now, enjoy some takedowns.
He's got another checkpoint.
We've got right out of you.
Did he win?
Guys, look at hospital.
He actually jumped it.
Yes, he's chasing.
He crossed.
Oh, he's dead! What a stupid man!
Oh my god!
We're on the motorway heading